Jingïalang kenhon menteri ke sarkar MDA2 haka pratre uyayong araja arpusan kala Meghalaya ki rules na kebenta ke search committee ke pelatau ban Jied yaki kerteng na kebenta ban Thongyou chairman bat ki Dkhot ke Lokayukta. Haba pentip sekilat pathai khobor ukon rat ki sangma menteri rangba ke jela ulaong baka bai Shong Jingïalang ke bolong arajar sanspa tingka na kebenta ki Dkhot kan Kiew syaka san hajar tingka shisen Shong Jingïalang bat yau chairman pan na kalai hajar syaka Henry hajar tingka.
The rules for the search committee for the selection of panel of names for appointment of chairman and member of the Lokayukta. So there is a search committee that is constituted, which we have already constituted, and this search committee will then propose some names to the main committee to then appoint and select the chairperson and the members of the Lokayukta. Now, the search committee has been constituted in the last meeting, as you're aware. But under the search committee, there are rules in which the search committee functions. So the decision today, that's the background, the decision in the cabinet today was to increase the sitting allowance for the search committee members. Very simple decision. Earlier, the committee members used to get 2,500 rupees per sitting, and it was felt that it could be increased because sittings are just 1 or 2 meetings that take place. So the amount has been increased from 2,500 to 5,000 for the members, and for the chairman from 3,000 to 6,000. So that's it. It's a very small amendment in the rules of the search committee. So this search committee, as I mentioned, has been formed. And in the last meeting where the Deputy Chief Minister, the Leader of Opposition, the Speaker and the Chief Justice were present, we have formed a search committee which will now suggest names after they invite different people to apply, as well as they will also do a search process and they will submit the names to us. We have requested them to do it at the earliest. So today's decision is not that. Today's decision is just to increase their sitting allowance from 2,500 to 5,000. But I'm just answering to your question. So we expect the names to be given very, very soon. Hopefully, we had requested them to do it within 30 days to 45 days. We expect that to happen soon. And once that happens, we will be then sitting again in the main committee, which is chaired by Chief Minister, and members are the Honorable Speaker, Deputy CM, Leader of Opposition, and the Chief Justice of Meghalaya. The Chairman of Search Committee, we had in fact already announced, we have already informed. It's a 5-member committee. I don't have the details with me right now, but a former IAS officer, Mr. Peter Dkhot, is the chairman of the search committee, and there are members from different sections of society, including one retired district magistrate, district judge is also there in that search committee, and some other individuals. I don't have the details with me right now.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.